Okay, so I was fucking around a little bit and I realized that we do not have the ability to actually save our hotkeys. So let's try to add that today. The very first thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to move our hotkeys. So what we are going to do now is we're going to head over to our hotkey bar, and this is where our hotkeys are now going to be located. So create a new variable, call it hotkeys of type key array. Now I'm going to be adding a couple here. So I'm going to be adding QE. Something like that, maybe, right? So now we got our hotkeys here. You can delete that in the inventory blueprint if you wish. Now, what we also need to do is we need to head over into our inventory, our save game. And here we got some structs. We're going to add a new struct. This one is going to be hotkeys save struct. We need the quantity and we need the item. Then we want to head over into our game instance. So that's new game instance for me here. Yeah. And we want to add it in our variables. We call this one hotkeys save of type hotkey save struct array. Now what we want to do, we're going to integrate this into our inventory save. So as we do with everything, we're going to set our hotkey, get our hotkey save, and we are going to, oh crap, I'm on the completely wrong spot here. Over down here where we create our save game object, we're going to get our hotkey save out from the save game object. We're going to set hotkey. We haven't done that yet, have we? No, we haven't added it in our save game. Open up your inventory save, add a new variable. This one is hotkey save. I think that's what we called it on the other one. I hope so. Hotkey save struct array. Compile and save that. Now we can head back to our game instance. Compile and save that. You can also, we are setting the game object here, so you can always just grab this out and set hotkey save. I just like to do things a bit weird sometimes. We're going to set the hotkey save to our hotkey save like so. And then on the load, we're going to get, again, I'm going to use this one for you guys. We get the hotkey save. I'm going to set our hotkey save to the incoming one from our save. While we are here, we are also going to add a new custom event above our save inventory here. So this one is going to be save hotkeys. Does save game exist? This one, same as before. You can also integrate this into the save inventory if you please. I'm just going to keep this one separate. The inventory save game object, grab that over here. You can then do a set hotkey save to our hotkey save like so, and then of course save the game to slot with the save game object. So that's our saving and loading somewhat taken care of. Most of our the rest of our stuff is going to happen in our hotkey bar. So if we press play now just to see, so this is how it looks right now. However, we're going to get our hotkeys here. Actually, before that, you can just delete this for each loop and keep the hard ref. Actually, we got the hard ref. Never mind. We're going to get this one. Cast to our game instance. Once that is done, get the hotkey save, promote that to a variable. After that is done, you're going to get your hotkeys that we made before. So these, you're going to do a for each loop out of those. Same as we did with the other one previously. And then out from the, not array element, sorry, that was, I don't know where I clicked that. We're going to create widget in the loop body. Widget is our hotkey slot. The key is the array element, same as before, and the href is our href that we have here. Out from the return value, you're going to get the hotkey text. Get the text from that. The text is our key, so we need to get the display name of our key, plug it into the text, and then we can honestly just add that to the board, like so. Key is, of course, wait, what crap am I doing? Dude, this one goes away. This one is plugged in, like so. And then adding the return value, like so. Compile and save that. If we hit play, that's going to show up with our new key hotkeys. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to get our save keys. So hotkey save. And we're going to do a for each loop with break out of that. After we add the child to the wrap box, the array element, we're going to break that open. We're going to check if the index is equal to the array index, way back there, and boolean. Just a double check to see if the key is also equal to the element. If both of these are true, we're going to break out and redo the check. So we're just going to create our branch up there. If all of this is true, what we want to do is we want to get the widget that we have spawned. We want to set the item of the widget to the incoming one from the save. We want to set the quantity of the widget to the incoming quantity. And after that, you want to update slot, like so. We compile and save that and head into our update slot. Down at the bottom here, where if it's false, if it's not a valid class, we're going to get our href. We're going to get the hotkey bar. Update save keys, we haven't made that. In our hotkey bar, add a new custom event. I'm going to update saved keys, like so. It's going to have 4 inputs. So number 1 is going to be index. We need the item. We're going to get our hotkey save. Go to set array element out of that. Cast your game instance after that. Set the hotkey save to our newly updated one. And then you're going to save hotkeys. Have we made that? Yes, we have. Save hotkeys. Right? If we click play, not really much is going to happen. If I do this, nothing is going to happen. Why is that? Because on our hotkey slot, we haven't set anything on the undropped. We haven't saved the changes. We're going to move that, return not away. We're going to get our href. We're going to get our hotkey bar. We're going to update saved keys. So when we drop something on it, we want to update the saved keys with our index. That's the item. Anyway, we want that as well. I don't want it twice though, so let's actually focus here. The key, the quantity, and have we set up the index so that we can throw it in here? No, we have not. We need to make a new variable, call this one index, integer, expose that. Get back to your hotkey bar where we create this, refresh your create node, and the index is going to be the array index, like so. Compile that, head back to your slot. Now we can use our index. So now we dropped it, and there we go. If I change the slots, something weird is happening, right? It's duplicating itself, so we need to figure that out. The reason that is simply because we were about to make this integration. However, we had to make it first, right? So we need to go to our hotkey bar. We need to update saved keys. The index that we are going to update is going to be our index that we have here. And that's about it, because this isn't going to be populated with anything else. So if we click play now, and I move it down there, if I stop it, now it's saved. Yeah, that's it. That's it for saving our hotkeys. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, please let me know and we will sort them out together. I will see you later. Bye-bye.